Why do Jamaicans say
Like,
Never bleep. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be helping the internet out, alright? We'll be answering the most Googled questions about Jamaicans. We know that on the internet and throughout history there have been a lot of misconceptions about Jamaicans, and also there have been a lot of questions that people always wanted to ask Jamaicans that they didn't get the chance to. Right, so today we'll be answering those questions for you guys. We won't be answering the questions in any particular order, but the most asked questions, I'll be answering that one first. Here we go. That question is,
why are Jamaicans so fast?
Comes Usain Bolt! Usain Bolt storming through!
Basically, we're of African descent, and as you can notice, Jamaicans are mainly Africans, and Africans run fast. That's a fact. Whether the Americans, whichever country, the black people are always that much faster.
I think it has a lot to do with how we major in track and field. Like persons of African descent, we tend to major a lot in track and field events, especially track. Especially for Jamaica, we start track really early.
Yeah, man.
Like I'm talking about 3-year-old basic school. 3-year-olds are having sports days, and
It's a culture.
Yes,
for us, it's a culture. Question number 2: why are Jamaicans so dramatic?
Dramatic.
Right, we're just expressive.
Yeah, and
We were sleeping, hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, say water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there. And we want back everything.
Yes.
That's just our culture, you know?
We live for expression,
Yeah, man.
alright?
We don't hide our emotions, you know. We are a type of people that we like to talk how we feel. That's just how we are, and as you see us, we, you know.
And I
a lot
think
of
too that
emotions.
just because of our background and where we came from, we just developed a culture in Jamaica of relating to each other.
Yeah.
And I guess the world kind of look at it as being kind of dramatic. I don't know. Are we dramatic though?
Why? I guess they will look at us that way.
We just know how to express ourselves very well.
Next question.
Why are Jamaicans so rebellious?
Right.
There are a lot of theories about this.
For the most part, Jamaicans, well, the black majority of Jamaicans, we actually came from Africa, and as you know, we had to be rebellious in order to escape slavery, right?
Maroons.
Jamaicans just had to be rebellious, right? There's also a school of thought that majority of the slaves that were brought to Jamaica are actually the quote-unquote bad slaves.
The rebellious ones,
right.
the one that were hard to manage and
Yes.
control.
So they brought them here to Jamaica as perhaps as punishment, right? So Jamaicans were actually one of the major pioneers in the black community escaping slavery, as per history, as per black history.
Next question. Why are Jamaicans so angry?
Basically, kind of similar explanation as to the previous answers, in my mind, anyway. So we'll
Yes.
move on. Next question. Why are Jamaicans so strong? We eat a lot of natural food, right?
Wait. You mean strong emotionally or strong physically? Like which one is strong? I think that we're both.
Yeah.
I think that we're both. I mean, emotionally, I think that, like, big up to all the black people out there. You survived slavery. Huh?
Yeah,
You're
man.
strong. Like, I think that we are strong emotionally. I think also why I consider black people to be strong is that after slavery, you know, it's another thing. Like, we went through a lot of oppression.
Yeah.
After slavery, and for us to emerge as a nation that we are basically growing and developing, I think that we're strong. Like, big up any black person out there, not only Jamaicans. Like, if you black, big up, you strong. Alright? Physically strong. Your mother give enough dumpling, yam and banana down here.
Simple. What about natural food we eat? Yeah, so it go. Next question. Why are Jamaicans scared of lizards? Why? I'm not really afraid of lizards still, you know. I think she better suited to answer that question here. Why are Jamaicans scared of lizards?
Why we want to mix up with things we are crap on them belly? Like, we don't do that. Jamaicans don't do that. Yeah, mix up with lizard. Like, we don't like lizards. If you see the cotton lizard, or Jamaicans call cotton lizard, them transparent, them change color and they can see through them. That is not cool. It's nasty.
Why are Jamaicans being deported from the UK? What you say? What you think?
Because they have broken the immigration rule in that country,
Yeah.
I'm assuming. So once you break a rule in that country, they might deport you.
Yeah.
If you come to Jamaica and break rule too, we are going to deport you too.
Right. People get deported for all different reasons.
I hope we deport you.
Why do Jamaicans bleach their skin?
Oh boy.
Boy, this question this a whole can of worms with that one.
Yes, a
Trust
whole
me.
can of worms.
But there are several reasons in my mind. People believe
it stems from one place.
Mm-hmm.
It stems from one place.
Yeah. Slavery, right?
Yes. So
Stem from
beauty
slavery.
in our society, and I think I can safely say that it's not only Jamaica, but other places as well, that beauty is looked upon as being white. So beauty is looked upon as being white. You understand? Well, that's not necessarily true. Like when we came out of slavery, from slavery days, the lighter colored slaves are the ones that were mixed. We are offsprings of the white persons around. They were lighter colored, and they used to be the ones that they put inside the house. So the house slave that do the light work, and then
the field slave actually would look up to the house slave, and they would want to be a house slave
because life is just easier and better for them.
Right. And then after slavery now,
yes,
the lighter colored people actually got more opportunities.
So they were the one that worked in the banks and in the offices, and they were the one that got to drive car and buy house.
Yeah.
Because they were the one that were offered opportunities. So from those days, it would appear that like a lighter skin tone actually brought greater economic success and prosperity.
Yeah.
So that's where it came from. So person started lightening them skin so that them can get some of the prosperity.
Then fast forward to the day now, the bleaching is seen as fashion, right?
Yeah.
And in a Jamaican context
that's
as well.
taking another tone.
Yeah. People do the tattooing, so when they're lighter skin color now, lighter skin tone now, then put on the tattoo show more, right?
Yeah.
And also again, when it comes to the skin tone to prosperity, people feel like in certain spheres, people feel like when you have lighter skin tone, you're more prosperous.
It's not
right?
only in certain spheres, but
yeah.
if you look at today's society, I can speak for Jamaica. A lot of the persons, quote unquote, in Jamaica that have money, the rich people, them light colored. Like, I'm not saying that persons of darker skin tones are not successful and have money.
Right.
What I'm saying is that majority of the time,
yeah.
the persons who have money are the lighter skin person, and that's just because of our past with slavery and how that economic advantage played out.
Yeah. To 2020 basically.
Yeah.
Next question. Why are Jamaicans so ignorant? Ah, jeez.
Jamaicans have another meaning for the word ignorant here.
God.
When Jamaicans say so ignorant, it means that you're aggressive.
Yeah.
That's what ignorant means in Jamaica.
For us.
But ignorant normally means like lack knowledge about a particular topic. So it goes back to slavery, how we had to be to survive in that time. So I guess we still haven't,
Right. Why Jamaicans can't be president?
We're building a beautiful wall, a big one that really works, that you can't get over, you can't get under.
We Jamaicans.
Right.
President for what? For what?
We first and foremost we have a prime minister in Jamaica. So our system, we call it Westminster model versus the American. Right. So in Jamaica we have a prime minister, we don't have a president. And if you mean president of the United States, a Jamaican can be the president of the United States. To be president of the United States, you have to be an American. So
ding ding.
That answer that. Next question, why do Jamaicans worship Haile Selasie? Well,
Jamaicans worship Haile Selasie.
The Rastas.
Rastafarians do, yes. So we do have a religion in Jamaica that I think is very unique to Jamaica. That's the Rastafarian religion. And they do worship Haile Selasie. So that's the reason for that. Not all Jamaicans do, but the Rastafarians do. Which are Jamaicans.
Why are Jamaicans always late? Again, she's best equipped to answer this question.
What? Listen, we have a time code down here, okay? 1 o'clock means 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock means 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock means 4 o'clock, 1 hour behind, alright?
Yeah.
I'm just saying. Not all Jamaicans are late, by the way. You have a lot of Jamaicans that are very punctual, alright?
Yeah. Next question, why do Jamaica love Ethiopia? Well, we love Ethiopia again because of the link with Haile Selasie. So Haile Selasie is actually from Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a country in Africa, right?
Yeah.
Jamaicans love all of Africa, right? So that's that.
Yes.
Why don't Jamaicans like...
Let me answer this question. Why don't Jamaicans like number 2?
In a Jamaica, we say number 2 is like a gay number. Right? Now talking straight now. We can't see this on YouTube, by the way. Ah, jeez.
Why not? If it is, why can't we say it?
Yeah, but number 2 means gay, so that's that.
Yeah.
Why do Jamaicans say
Like, but
Not a bleep it. Yeah.
that's a Jamaican curse word. Don't be going around saying that word, alright?
Don't.
And any other clots and stuff where you see, you hear Jamaicans say don't say it. A bad word them a cuss.
Why don't Jamaicans pronounce the letter H? We just can't bother. It's just our way. Everybody have their own accent. So, like us, what kind of H word you can't think about now? So, you know, hi, we say I.
Yes.
I.
Yes.
Even with the TH words too, like thigh, we say thigh. We don't drop the H.
And then every ER is A. So, every ER is A, like mother.
Yeah.
Like, it's just our Creole, it's our way of speaking, so I guess we kind of break the words, and it's our broken English, alright? Jamaicans broken English, so yeah.
Alright. Are Jamaicans gold diggers?
Gold diggers. No, gold diggers are persons who try to obtain money by, what's that word? By conning people out of their money.
Yeah.
I would say
more than conning, it have to do like really in terms of relationship.
Yeah, so it's like seducing somebody for their money.
Yeah.
I would say most of Jamaicans are hardworking people.
Right.
Like literally, we work for our money. We work very hard for our money. But like every culture, we do have a couple gold diggers. And don't perceive gold diggers to be no woman alone. Man are gold diggers too. In fact, I dare to say that nowadays the man never outdo the woman them not a gold digging thing. Like them are go hard.
Oh jeez.
Jamaicans eat pum pum.
What you say? Do Jamaicans? I have one enough.
I think we have to answer what is a pum pum first, because probably persons don't know what is a pum pum. Alright, so when Jamaicans say pum pum, they're actually referring to vagina, the female genitalia, okay? Yeah. Do Jamaicans eat it? Well, if them want to eat it, then hair business. I don't know. I think it's left up to every single individual Jamaican.
Yeah, everybody's different.
As for the overall broadcast of men, overall broadcast, the word would be no. But it's left up to the individual.
In a Jamaican context.
Yeah. In a Jamaican context, the word would be no, broad brush, but it's left up to the individual.
Yeah. Are Jamaicans from Ghana?
Quite possible.
Quite possible, right? As a lot of history, right? You can check the history books. Ghana being a West African country,
yes.
You can check that.
We are brilliant. Listen, we talk about brilliant. You see, even the people that we see downtown, you ever see them also before? Jamaicans are brilliant.
Brilliant people.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You talk about the scammers too?
Oh, jeez.
You have to smart.
Okay.
Yeah. Are Jamaicans from Nigeria?
Quite possible.
Again, as with the similar question with the Ghana thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, quite possible, yeah.
Are Jamaicans Native Americans?
No, right?
No.
Our Indians that we had, which we would consider those being the native Jamaicans or Native Americans, because after all, Jamaica is in North America, so they are dead, right? Sad to say, the Europeans came, saw them, and they killed them. They enslaved them and they died. So
they were the Arawaks and the Tainos. Yeah.
They're extinct now.
Alright. Do Jamaicans eat chicken bone?
Of course. That's how we have a season with chicken. We don't put just salt and pepper, you know. We season our chicken down to the bone because we like to eat the bone, right? Well, me anyway, and a lot of other Jamaicans, right? Yes. What you say?
I used to eat chicken bone, I'm trying not to anymore.
Why?
Because those things destroy your teeth, man.
Okay, alright.
Alright. So, do Jamaicans smoke weed while pregnant?
No, we don't.
That's frowned upon in Jamaica, no.
I never see a woman smoking while pregnant.
Like, that's not something that you normally see.
No.
Like, we don't normally see that in Jamaica.
No.
Jamaica. Do Jamaica eat rats?
No, we don't.
No.
But maybe some other Caribbean.
That's not even like a soft no. That's a hell
big
no.
Big no.
No, we don't do that. We don't do big rats, little rats, we don't do no rats.
But I think the other Caribbean country, they eat like something called agouti, a big rat. Yeah.
A big rat.
Alright.
Do Jamaicans eat jollof rice?
Jollof rice? I don't know what that is, so I would say no.
No.
Do Jamaicans eat iguanas? No.
Did you hear the lizard argument earlier, right?
No.
We don't eat
Jamaicans fear the lizard, so no, we don't fool around, we never eat it.
No.
Are Jamaicans poor? Not all Jamaicans are poor.
So like most countries in the world, you do have the poor and you have the rich.
Right.
So Jamaicans have their own set of poor people, but we do also have more rich people as well.
Right.
Yeah. Are Jamaicans black? We are black.
No.
So no. Jamaican's motto is out of many one people. So we have enough different ethnicities here, but the most popular are those of African descent. So yeah, we're black. Not far away, but not all the way. The next question is, why are Jamaicans so cool? Why would you hate people who is cool? Be cool.
Right, yeah.
Like, why are Jamaicans so cool, babe? I think why Jamaicans are considered cool is just because we're different. Like, you're getting a different flavor. Like, we are very...
laid back. A lot of persons from us even say we are laid back. It's just our way.
And
we
we are
just
expressive.
Yeah.
So I guess some persons consider that as being cool.
Cool,
So,
yeah.
yeah.
Yes, guys, we've come to the end of another video, and we've answered most of the questions found on Google that people ask about Jamaicans, right? And if you have other questions that we haven't covered here, you can always drop it in the comment section.
Yes, please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever time we drop a video, and give us a thumbs up.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.
Peace out.
Keep safe.